Hello, it's Katie here. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate your way around the Twinkl website. So when you first log in, it should take you to this main Twinkl page. If not, you can press the big Twinkl logo in the top corner here, and it should always bring you back to this main page anytime you're on the website. Now, if your account's registered in Wales, these are the toggle buttons that you'll see that will appear at the top. And it'll be English medium, secondary schools, which is English, your English parents hub, your Welsh medium primary school, and your rhieni hub, which is Welsh medium. But this button here will take you to everything that Twinkl Cymru has made. So all our English medium resources are on the left and all our Welsh medium resources are on the right. Firstly, clicking on to Twinkl Original Stories. We have loads and loads of stories, which they can all be found here. So any age, click on this filter here, and any language that we have can also be shown here. If we go back, we also have our interactive resources, which is Twinkl Go, and Twinkl Cymru have actually been working on some Welsh language ones. So you can find them here, split into progression steps, and there's actually some really good phonics ones which you guys can use. So going back to the main landing page, we also have these topic resources. So we've tried to think about all sorts of topics and themes that educators use. And we've made sure that all the relevant resources are into these categories, which are along the left-hand side. So our most popular one is Mini Beasts, and you can see all of our resources here. If we go back to Twinkl Cymru's page, we have also made sure that our planning and assessment and classroom management buttons are now at the top here, so they're easy to access. We've been preparing for the new curriculum, so we've been working hard to help Welsh educators try and get prepared this September. So you can find all the aspects of the new curriculum here in English and here in Welsh. So we've got the 4 purposes, and this bilingual pencil targets pack has been our most popular. And if we go back, we've also got the areas of learning and experience. And if you click on here, we also have them all separated into each area here. And this descriptions of learning statement has been one of our most popular resources in line with the new curriculum. So we go back to the Twinkl Cymru main page, we can scroll down and you can see also that the areas of learning have been split up here into each progression step, and it has everything at that appropriate level within that AOLE. Now, not skipping past our Welsh learners section, we've got everything split up into progression steps here, but we also have our Planet Welsh, which has been designed for teachers to provide or deliver engaging learning in line with the new curriculum. And at present, we've got 5 units here, and we are working on more. Finally, on our Twinkl Cymru landing page, if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see here we have the Twinkl product library. This shows you all the products that Twinkl has on offer. So we've been working on lots of amazing products, all to help those who teach. And if you keep an eye out in the future, we'll have some more videos about these Welsh medium resources. So diolch yn fawr. Ta-ra!